Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. What you're looking at right now is Google's most advanced world model to date. Google just rolled out Genie 3, and this isn't your average AI video generator. Genie 3 is a real-time, general-purpose world model from Google DeepMind that can create fully interactive environments out of nothing but a single text prompt. Whether you want to roam through a photorealistic landscape like the one on the screen, explore ancient ruins, dive into deep oceans, or wander into magical animated realms, Genie 3 can bring it all to life with insane detail and consistency. This is a big deal because Genie 3 can render 720p, 24 frames per second, and keep the entire environment cohesive for several minutes, even while handling complex instructions. You can walk around, turn to places you've been, and trigger events in real time. That's thanks to its new architecture, which tracks both previous frames and your inputs as you interact. And it's not just for fun, this opens doors for training embodied agents to take on complex tasks in rich, open ended simulated worlds. As a user, you can change the weather, add characters, or reshape the terrain mid simulation using what Google calls promptable world events. Take a look at this demo. These aren't pre recorded videos or game levels, these are fully generated worlds happening live.
Games or videos. They're worlds. Each one of these is an interactive environment generated by Genie 3, a new frontier for world models. With Genie 3, you can use natural language to generate a variety of worlds and explore them interactively, all with a single text prompt. Let's see what it's like to spend some time in a world. Genie 3 has real-time interactivity, meaning that the environment reacts to your movements and actions. You're not walking through a pre-built simulation. Everything you see here is being generated live as you explore it. And Genie 3 has world memory. That's why environments like this one stay consistent. World memory even carries over into your actions. For example, when I'm painting on this wall, my actions persist. I can look away and generate other parts of the world. But when I look back, the actions I took are still there. And Genie 3 enables promptable events, so you can add new events into your world on the fly. Something like another person or transportation, or even something totally unexpected. You can use Genie to explore real-world physics and movement, and all kinds of unique environments. You can generate worlds with distinct geographies, historical settings, fictional environments, and even other characters. We're excited to see how Genie 3 can be used for next-generation gaming and entertainment. And that's just the beginning. Worlds can help with embodied research, training robotic agents before working in the real world, or simulating dangerous scenarios for disaster preparedness and emergency training. World models can open new pathways for learning, agriculture, manufacturing, and more. We're excited to see how Genie 3's world simulation can benefit research around the world.
Every one of these scenes is a fresh, interactive environment made entirely by Genie 3. All it takes is natural language, just type in a single prompt, and you're inside a world you can freely explore. Genie 3 has a true real time interactivity, meaning everything around you responds to your actions. You're not just moving through a static scene, the environment is being generated on the fly as you explore. It also has world memory, so things stay consistent. If I paint on this wall, it stays painted. I can wander off, explore, and when I return, my changes are still there. And with promptable events, you can add whatever you want on the spot, another person, a vehicle, or something totally unexpected. You can test realistic physics, unique environments, or entire worlds with their own geography, history, and characters. The possibilities here are massive, from next gen gaming to film production, robotics training, emergency simulations, agriculture, manufacturing, etc. Now, here's what makes it stand out: text to world simulation, build worlds from simple description, real time generation, explore and change your world as you go, high visual consistency. It keeps environment stable for up to a minute to reduce drift, In my opinion, this is a critical step toward AGI. It's like giving AI an infinite curriculum, training agents on goal based navigation and decision making in safe simulated spaces. This could be huge for robotics and automation in the next 5 to 10 years. And of course, there are some limits right now. Agents have a constrained action space, world memory is short term, real world geography isn't perfectly accurate, sessions last only a few minutes due to compute demands, and sometimes text rendering can be inconsistent or missing. Still, compared to Johnny 2, this is a massive leap forward. When you combine creative, text based input with interactive, embodied AI agents, you're defining how we think about virtual worlds. You can create games, educational experiences, research tools. The potential is endless. The vision is clear now, and I think we'll see this fully realized in less than a decade. Huge thanks to Google DeepMind for pushing this frontier. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Videsha, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Videsha crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Videsha handle the rest. Videsha gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Videsha now. Just go to getvidesha.in.